home. Lloyd Loop? What kind of road name is that? Lloyd Loop. Lloyd Loop, people. Lloyd Loop. It seems like a song name, or like a character in a funny movie.
Lord Luke.
Yep.
Lord the singer.
Yeah.
Hello.
Woodside Way. These are really bad names for roads. Davis Drive. What? Brother, I'm bored. Where are you going? Okay, bye. Bye, my friend. Oh, what? That makes no sense. No sense at all. My phone is on 15%. It has been on 100% all day. Or since I got it back, at least. So, when are we going to start doing our challenges?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. Probably never. Because we don't have marshmallows for the bunny challenge or the chubby bunny challenge. We have makeup. And that's just about it.
I have a bandana, so we can do. This is not my arms challenge.
What?
Not my arms.
What's that?
Uh-oh.
She tried petting me. And stop petting me! I'm not a cat or a dog or... Ouch!
That's your fault.
It probably is. Bye-bye. Steven. What you doing?
Walking home.
I'm walking home too.
I don't know.
We're walking home together.
You said you wanted to get home before me.
Yeah, you gotta do a lot more work. I get to be lazy. Kinda, not really. Just kinda lazy.
I'm going to take a bath and just lay down and watch YouTube. Every single one of J. Cole's vlogs. I don't really like Allison Violet. I don't know her name. Something Allison Violet, right?
No. I don't.
What's her name? Like it's
Alyssa?
something- Alyssa Violet, yeah.
Yeah.
I know something that has to do with the egg and nails.
Well, I'm not gonna be able to put up these vlogs until I get internet at home. And I don't know how. This is my first vlog.
Your mom got hotspot on her phone?
Nope. We don't have hotspot. Or she might, I don't know. I still haven't even made my new YouTube channel. April Cool Vlogs. I added vlogs to it to make it sound more professional.
It's not.
I know.
And I'm pretty sure they know it's a vlog. Right?
Do you? Do you know? Probably not.
Do you?
Do you know? Probably not. Or do you? I don't know.
Look at that mud. It's like peeling.
Ew.
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
Totally disgusting.
I could start making vlogs of me going in the woods. Would you guys like that?
No, they wouldn't.
I know.
I'm out here in the
In the woods.
jungle.
I'm in the woods.
No, I'm out here in the music.
I'm now in the woods, guys. I'm in the woods.
She's not.
I know. I'm not in the woods.
Special effects. April.
Special effects. Special effects.
She's just turning around.
I'm in the woods now, guys. And now I'm back here. Back in the park.
How you doing? Turn.
I can be in the woods right now. Don't worry, guys. I'll be in the woods. I'm in the woods. No.
Not. She's just in the shadow of the trees.
But there are woods there and a weird trail that looks like it could be a creepy trail.
Looks like somebody jumped out and just like stab. I don't want to get stabbed.
Me neither. We're in the wetlands. So you can see that sign if you're not blind. Yeah, that's the wetland sign.
Legally blind, so how I'm gonna travel a car?
Oh well, you're fine. I'm sure you'll figure it out, right?
I'm legally blind.
You'll figure it out. Did you forget anything in my house? Your shoes?
No.
Okay.
I have to check. Sometimes I forget.
Don't worry, I forget a lot of things. And now I'm in the
This
woods.
is my old friend.
I'm in the woods again. I'm in the woods and you're not.
No, you're not. You're in the back.
Now you're in the woods.
What?
You're in the woods. You're in the wetlands.
This is my old friend.
Bye bye.
Okay, play.
No, I'm not going to your house.
Wait, right?
You go straight.
Wait, right?
She drives me crazy.